Welcome to my channel, Muth Narang. Today I want to be sharing about our relationship and happiness. How happy are you? Your happiness depends on how you see yourself, what you want from life, and how well you get on with other people. But you need to know yourself. What sort of person are you? What makes you happy? Do you know how to make yourself happy? If you can answer these questions, you can learn to change the way you think and behave. And you can actually be happier. It just needs practice. 4 things. 1. Happy with your life. I take every opportunity to play, laugh, and have a good time. 2. I usually have a holiday at 1 year. 3. I get pleasure from lots of different things: art, natural, sports, friends. 4. Sometime I get really enthusiastic about things. 2. Your energy of life. Happy. 1. I have the things in life that I think are important. 2. I have a positive image of myself. 3. I am grateful for what I have, and appreciate it. 4. I don't often feel jealous or envious of other people. 3. You're healthy. 1. I sleep well and wake up feeling ready for a new day. 2. I keep fit and I take care of myself. 3. I never feel stressed when I have a lot of things to do. 4. I don't feel afraid or depressed. 4. Your relationship. 1. I have close friends and people I share interests with. 2. I get a lot of satisfaction from my work and study. 3. My life makes a difference to other people. 4. I try to help other people. Many thanks, dear, for your watching, reading, listening, and sharing. Please keeping your feelings with me. Please forget click here, subscribe, comment, and on notification for get more videos.